open it now.
All right.
So you look like that reindeer. That's why I picked it out for you. And I picked out that for you because you're naughty.
I'm a what?
You're naughty. Naughty or nice?
Oh no.
What do you mean, oh no? This is exciting, isn't this? Oh my gosh. Did I pack it too hard?
Oh.
Oh. Give me a break.
Oops. Keep ripping it.
Why are you ripping my box? I paid for that box.
Sorry.
Give me a break. It's the holidays.
Oh, sick.
Yay! He loves it.
Yay.
It's mint.
Oh, nice.
So it can like complement your skin tone.
Oh, Forever 21.
There's a card, sir.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
I'm over you.
Oh.
Special message from Santa.
Santa is coming to town. Oh, William.
I hope you can read my handwriting. It's atrocious. Oh, he loved it.
I do love it.
From the heart. Like, seriously, from the heart. So keep that with you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Give me this. So it's Starbucks?
Gotta open it.
Oh, okay. What's the card at? Whoa. What's this?
Open it.
Okay. I hope it's girly. Oh, thank you.
Now you can match your little thing.
Oh, thank you. I really needed
Yeah,
this.
this is really good because it's like for hot stuff, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah, it'll keep it warm.
Oh my gosh, this is so
Yeah,
cute.
that was pretty sick, right? And then there's something else in there as well.
What is that? Oh, she gave me money.
So look, open it.
Okay. Oops, sorry.
It's not much, but the first coffee is on me using that mug. Pretty good, right?
You're so sweet. Thank you
Yes.
so much. And it has the gingerbread. That is so cute. I like gingerbread. So that means I look like a gingerbread. And I taste like one.
Yikes. I'm just kidding.
Boy, you should be happy. Like, boys want girls that taste like cookies. What you talking about? Thank you so much. This is so, I needed this. Like, I love that. But I'm going to love this even more because it's going to be, I've been wanting something like this for like decades.
Yeah.
For something hot. Because I was like, yo, I can't.
You see me carry this around all the time, right?
I know.
Because it's worth it.
Yeah.
So you can carry it without drinks now.
You're so sweet. And the first coffee is by him.
Yay.
Thank you, Will.
You guys want to hear a beat I made for a client? Remember that weird song yesterday? But this is the beat.
That's what I get. I wasn't
That was so
of
funny.
age.
One of my best friends came to
And I was broke.
Camp Flogna. We went together,
You lost the shoe.
and it was Tyler's set, and I lost a shoe. R.I.P. to my canvas low top Converse
Oh no.
right foot.
That's so funny. Oh my god, that's hilarious.
R.I.P.
Jesus.
At least it was the end of the night, so like I just left the venue, and after it was done, I left the venue, got my Uber, and just walked. And it was, I think it was like turf, so it wasn't bad.
Yeah.
And but the crowd was so nice. They were like, "Hey, shut up! Everybody, turn your light. Help her find her shoe." It was gone.
It was gone?
It was gone.
They're cleaning up. They're like, oh shit, somebody lost their shoe. It could work. Let's do a honky tonky.
Excuse me? He's so talented. I tell him every day. What's this, Western?
Yes, this is Western. You ask for Western.
I love
this.
this.
Is Western.
Okay. Okay, Shine Moon. What's that movie with Jackie Chan and what's that?
Oh, what's Shanghai News?
Yeah,
Okay, okay, Shanghai Noon. Good Lord.
You calling me Jackie Chan right now? She's calling me Jackie Chan right now.
I mean, you're the Korean version. So.
Say, I want this to be urban and ethnic.
Listen.
Call me Jackie Chan.
Listen.
Oh, man.
I wasn't trying to say it, but I was like, you were my. Okay, fine. Fine. He got me. He got me. Got me. This is my favorite. And oh my gosh, you are so annoying. Stop. Yo, seriously?
Yeah.
Go over.
Can you open the door?
Get out.
How do I make this more appealing to me? I know you like it. I
know there's one element that you need to put in, but I don't know what it is either.
No, it's not the element. It's like
something.
It's like something about this track that kind of like, it's like the concept is cool, but something is wrong. I can't figure it out.
That was missing.
Of course it's missing, but like, you know when a track, for me, I know when like a track really good even with all the missing pieces.
Ow!
I'm not having that same effect right now, that's why. I'm trying to figure it out. Let me think about this. Let me just,
Okay, I'm typing.
yeah, you do you.
Oh. I just love that you love my gift.
Yeah, it's cool. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I wish it was Nike. Just kidding.
Do you want me to take it back? I can wear it. I'll just say that I have a boyfriend. Better be grateful. Didn't have to buy you nothing. Well, he deserves it. He needs. You need another hoodie.
I do, I really do. I'm gonna take that to retreat with me, so.
Oh,
Which is in 2 days.
oh, that's why you're not gonna be here.
Yeah. So church retreat, I'm playing guitar.
Okay. Oh, that's pretty.
Randy, I have a question.
Yeah.
I feel something is off in this beat. Can you help me identify that?
Yeah.
Because it's going bum, bum versus bum, 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 bum. Dun, dun, dun. It's anticipation. This is done. Done. Everything, the focus is on the down.
Yeah, it's
done.
like
So it's not like swinging as it should. It's more like this versus like.
yeah, like leaning forward instead of leaning back.
It's not focused on the two. It's focused on the downbeat. That's why it doesn't sound good. I gotta change the bass line.
Okay.
So you might have to change the whole song.
I might have to. I'm gonna have to take a breather.